Friends, our brain, formed of neural networks, functions as an analog device. However, artificial intelligence based on artificial neural networks functions in a digital format. This fundamental difference is a reason for the enormous abilities of the human brain and is also a reason enough to believe that artificial intelligence can never go beyond human intelligence. Friends, this and a few other concepts I will explore this Saturday. I hope it will be useful to you. It was announced in the budget a few months back that 3 excellence centers in artificial intelligence and 100 labs for developing 5G services in the engineering institutions would be set up. A great step in the country's digital push. For our physical world is full of digital devices, digital technologies, driverless vehicles, 3D printers, drones, and many such other digital devices. Even more innovative applications than ChatGPT, an AI-based chatbot that does almost anything in the learning space, will evolve in future. And artificial intelligence is the key. The world is becoming smart. Smart cities, smart healthcare, smart watches, smart TV, smart food, smart gym, smart learning, smart everything. Predictive analysis based on machine learning will make the future learning experience truly amazing. Is this good in the long term for the human race? Our native analog intelligence seems to be hijacked, by an artificial digital ecosystem. Human intelligence is complex. Cognitive feats with high levels of motivation and self-awareness, they are all hallmarks of human intelligence. It allows us to learn from concepts, understand, apply logic, reason, recognize patterns, comprehend ideas, plan, solve problems, make decisions, retain information, and use language to communicate. So much for human intelligence. Now, artificial intelligence can only mimic part of that. Internet of Things, IoT, recreates the human ecosystem, connecting the physical devices that communicate and identify with each other over the internet. 5G, or the 5th generation cellular network that supports much larger bandwidths, is the new vehicle. Algorithms then navigate through the maze of data from the IoT objects or the sensors and create intelligent patterns that help us to take decisions. Will the great strides in artificial intelligence also exhibit human-like emotions like love, hate, and so on? Can artificial intelligence become intentionally benevolent or intentionally malevolent? Our civilization is a product of intelligence. Superimposing AI on it rather than making AI go solo must be the priority of our research. The government rightly is investing a lot in digital transformation. The first wave of digitization included computing, broadband, and mobile telephony networks. It helped the traditional sectors of the economy and service industries like financial services, education, healthcare, etc. to grow more rapidly. Further, it improved the manufacturing sector. This has had an impact on the growth of household income and the facilitation of social inclusion, access to information, government services, and entertainment content. The second wave led to the introduction of new services and applications such as internet information searches, electronic commerce, distance education, and a whole range of collaborative businesses. And these businesses, they characterize the digital economy with companies like Uber, Airbnb, etc. This innovation effect, yielded enhanced demand of labor in certain occupations linked to the development of digital services. So there are a whole new set of jobs coming up. However, the emergence of collaborative business models have seen the disappearance of repetitive, low and middle skilled jobs. So a whole lot of retraining, upskilling was required. All this was due to automation that was happening. Now the third wave of smart world supported by IoT and artificial intelligence would certainly improve productivity across sectors. It would also improve the delivery of public services. However, there could be disruptive labor effects with the industry transforming into a completely automated, remote handled entity like Industry 4.0. The low-end jobs would dry up, and with required skill levels going up. A 23rd Oxford University study suggests that almost 50% of our jobs would be at risk due to automation by 2033. With workers in countries facing higher levels of automation rates, more frequent levels of physical and mental distress would follow. Be that as it may, the world is witness to and knows that a high level of technology and complexity seldom adds to the number of jobs that employ masses. Hence, human aspect becomes important when digital technologies connect different entities, different stakeholders, goals, processes, information, and resources. Digitization of a process, deployment of digital solutions, strategy, cultural shifts, moving to more customer-centric and integrated approaches have a transformational impact and must be factored to get the human element on board. Human element is extremely important when you go for digital push. Friends, the government, while pursuing the digital push, must lay stress on educating people, bringing people together, bringing people around, and so on. Digitization is not dehumanization. However, without a strong involvement of both the government and the people, without taking the human element into account, digital projects often fail. And with that, friends, I will sign off for this Saturday with a promise to return back the next. Until then, thank you, dhanyavad, and namaskar.